Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Avast Antivirus on your Windows 11 system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, the best way is to download it from the Microsoft Store. Simply click on this icon here or search for the Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store and then search for Avast. And this is the Avast free antivirus here. Or you can search for it on Bing, Avast, and then download it. But I always suggest downloading it from the Microsoft Store, and the reason I suggest downloading it from the Microsoft Store is because when you download it from the Microsoft Store, you can be sure that it has been scanned for viruses and malware. I mean the software itself. The second thing is that it will not push third-party freeware products, or many of which can contain viruses. For example, the McAfee antivirus pushes the Opera browser to your computer. So if you download it from the Microsoft Store, you can be sure that all of these third-party apps will not be pushed to your system. Other than this, we can always download the latest version from the website, and the benefit of downloading it from the website is that it will be the absolute latest version, and the version on Microsoft Store will not be the latest one. They update it later, and the one you get here is updated first. So you can click on open directly and then click on yes to install Avast Antivirus, but this option can be quicker actually. Let us wait till it downloads and installs on our system. Now, once the Avast Antivirus is installed on your system, you can search for it in the Windows search bar and open Avast free antivirus. Okay. And once this software is open, you will have to give a few permissions to it. Let us wait till it opens. So once it is open, you can click on run the smart scan and it will start scanning for your system. This is the quickest one. It will check the basic settings and all, but it has a hell lot more options here. So these are the fixes that it says, and you can simply click on resolve all, though it may ask you to pay for it. Okay, didn't, so it's good. And then stop the scan and then go back. You can also click on protection and you can check the different kind of protections. Now these are similar to Windows Defender. I have checked that. You can quarantine files. These are the Core Shield is the real-time protection, and Ransomware Shield is against ransomware. It has its own firewall. And then you can check your system performance under this. You can update software products on one click. Like VLC was not updated, so you can update it and with one click. And then you can also check the privacy options, the hack alerts, and password protection, the webcam shield. I'll tell you the interesting part about webcam shield. So a lot of hackers will access your webcam and switch off the light, turn off the light, and then they can simply watch you. So this is a very important thing, though it is a paid service, and it can also shred your data. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.